Hey, future CPC certified professionals. Are you ready to test your medical coding knowledge with 10 repeatedly asked questions in previous CPC exams? Stay till the end because we've got some essential exam tips just for you. And don't forget to comment and subscribe for more CPC exam prep videos. Let's jump right in. First question, the outermost layer of the eyeball is known as A. Retina, B. Choroid, C. Sclera, D. Lens. Alright, pause the video here. If you know the answer, please comment below. Or grab your CPT book and to eye anatomy. Here is the anatomy of eye from 60,000 series. Option A. Retina is the innermost layer of the eye, responsible for converting light into neural signals. The choroid, B, is the middle layer, rich in blood vessels, supplying oxygen and nutrients to the eye. The sclera, C, is the tough, white outermost layer that protects the eyeball and maintains its shape. The lens, D, is a transparent structure that focuses light onto the retina. The correct answer is C, sclera. Avento, if you are confused with the given options in the CPC exam, always go to the anatomy structures given in C, P, T and ICD manuals. Second question, phalanges are bones found in the A. Skull, B. Hands and feet, C. Spine, D. Pelvis. Skull, has bones like the frontal and parietal, but not phalanges. Hands and feet, B. Phalanges are finger and toe bones, is the correct answer. Spine consists of vertebrae, not phalanges. Pelvis, D, includes the ilium, ischium, and pubis, not phalanges. So option B, hands and feet is the right answer. Next question, a laparotomy is a surgical procedure that involves. If you know the answer, please comment below. The options are, removal of the gallbladder is called cholecystectomy. B, an incision into the abdominal cavity is an open surgery to explore or treat abdominal issues. Lapro means abdominal cavity and tomy indicates incision. Option B is the right answer. Option C, repair of a hernia is hernia raphe. Option D, examination of the pelvic organs is done through laparoscopy, a minimally invasive procedure. Next question, the spinal cord is responsible for A. Filtering blood, B. Controlling voluntary movements, C. Digesting food, D. Producing red blood cells. The answer is B. Controlling voluntary movements. The spinal cord transmits signals between brain and muscles, coordinate the voluntary muscle movements. Next question, the term colpo refers to which part of the body? A. Uterus, B. Vagina, C. Fallopian tubes, D. Ovaries. Now let's see how to find the answer in the manuals if you don't know directly. Let's go to index and look for procedures related to colpo. Here it indicates 57,020. Now when we go to the code 57020, it's showing colpocentesis under vagina. So the answer is vagina. Option B is the right answer. See, by this trick you can find the answers to anatomy questions. If you like the trick, please comment below. Like. Next question, the spleen is a part of which system? A. Digestive, B. Endocrine, C. Lymphatic, D. Respiratory. Spleen is a present above stomach but it's not a part of digestive system. It does not secrete hormones to be part of endocrine system. Spleen is an organ that filters blood and fights against infections. Coming to next question, the suffix rr happy refers to? Options A. Removal is represented by ectomy. B. Suturing is the correct answer. RR happy means surgical repair or suturing. C. Inflammation is denoted by itis. D. Incision is represented by tomy. In the surgical procedures of CPT book, we can see the procedure terminology showing RR happy means surgical suture or repair. Next, meningitis is an inflammation of the A. Brain, B. Meninges, C. Spinal cord, D. Peripheral nerves. Meninges, B, is the correct answer. These are the protective layers covering the brain and spinal cord. What is the surgical removal of an ovary called? A. Colposcopy, B. Oophorectomy, C. Salpingectomy, D. Hysterectomy. Colposcopy is a diagnostic procedure to examine the cervix and vagina. Oophorectomy is the correct answer. It refers to the surgical removal of an ovary. Salpingectomy is the removal of a fallopian tube. Hysterectomy is the removal of the uterus. Option B is the right answer. Last question, the lungs are enclosed in the A. Pleural cavity, B. Peritoneal cavity, C. Mediastinum, D. Cranial cavity. Pleural cavity, A, is the correct answer. It surrounds the lungs and allows smooth movement during breathing. Peritoneal cavity, B, surrounds abdominal organs. Mediastinum, C, is the space between the lungs containing the heart. Cranial cavity. D. Houses the brain. That's it for today's CPC exam prep. If you found this helpful and learned some tricks to crack the exam questions, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below the question number which you found the trickiest. See you in the next video. Bye.